I have done graduation in engineering and working in customer support is not suitable for me. So soon after joining, so it was in my mind that like I should change my position. So I thought like cloud technology is best for me, and I approached Intellipaat, and they have given best support. Intellipaat has given us some projects and assignments which has helped us for the practical understanding. Like after I changed my domain, so there I got a hike of 80%.
I started my career as a customer relationship executive, which was not at all technical. The way I got a technical job was because of Intellipaat only. They only arranged me interview with a reputed company in Hyderabad, and I cracked the interview in the first round.
At that moment, I was working in Amazon as a customer support executive, and the offer I got from Locus was AWS associate. So it was quite a big change for me.
Okay. I have 9 years of experience in this industry, in BPO sector and IT industry. My success story starts with Intellipaat, because I never knew I can say that I will achieve such a good opportunity in Dell organization because of these courses.
From a non-technical person, from customer service, from then to a Python developer, and now as a data scientist.
I worked in BPO company more than 6 years. I'm trying to move a software company. That's why I joined in Intellipaat. After I started a new business, I'm earning because of this. I'm earning more than 10 lakhs per year now because of only Power BI, sir. I learned in Intellipaat and Power BI. Power BI very helped to me.
I'm currently working as a database and a cross-functional guy who knows the domain knowledge and who exports the data to our customers on a daily basis. I told my management that I've known these things, and they've given me a 40% hike.
Right now, I'm a full-time data analyst at Amazon. I have received 51% of hike from my previous role.
So company just gave me the promotion along with a hike of 40%.
So recently I joined this organization. I'm working there as virtual relationship officer.
Yeah, as soon as I completed my AWS training from Intellipaat, I got selected in my current company. I have learned AWS from Intellipaat, and luckily I'm doing good now, as a cloud engineer. I'm still working in same company, and it was great experience overall. Now recently I have got promoted to level 2 cloud engineer.